everyone! Before we get started, I want to show you exactly what we're working towards today. This is the DoorDash checkout screen with a promo code already applied, and as you can see, I'm saving a lot on this order. In this video, I'm going to walk you through step-by-step how to get and apply working DoorDash promo codes so you can save on your next DoorDash order. Let's jump right into the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is head straight to Google search and search for the word iProList. I'll add the correct spelling on screen. Then click on the first search result. The next thing you need to do is select DoorDash. There are other platforms on the list, but for this, we are only dealing with DoorDash. On the screen, you just have to click the Get button, then wait for it to check if there are new codes available. This should take a moment. Once it's done, you should immediately see the code generated for you. All you just have to do is reveal the code, copy it, and then apply it on your DoorDash checkout page. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like on this video and subscribe. Thank you.